Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 5 top stories we are covering. Welcome to the channel. Before we begin today's update, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to receive notifications for all our future tech updates. Rocket Bell. Official PCIe 8.0 draft aims for 1 TB/s data rate. The PCI Special Interest Group PCI-SIG has released draft 0.5 of the PCIe 8.0 specification, targeting a data rate of 1 terabyte per second in a 16-lane configuration. Final specs are scheduled for release in 2028, with compatible hardware expected to follow years later. PCIe 8.0 will double the bandwidth of its predecessor, though widespread adoption may lag due to the slow rollout of previous generations like PCIe 6.0 and 7.0. A field guide to quantum computer qubits. Researchers worldwide are developing quantum computers that leverage the unique properties of quantum mechanics to solve complex problems beyond the reach of classical computers. These machines rely on qubits, which can exist in superposition states representing infinite combinations of 0 and 1 and can become entangled to influence each other instantaneously. Unlike classical bits that are strictly 0 or 1, qubits enable quantum computers to perform calculations through fundamentally different computational processes. The technology promises revolutionary advances in fields requiring massive computational power, though practical large-scale quantum computers remain under development. Significantly advance future Army capabilities. U.S. Army keen on quantum control research that promises to deliver a huge leap in future energy generation and computing. The U.S. Army is funding quantum research at the University of California, Riverside to explore how vibrations in ultra-thin materials can control electronic behavior, potentially revolutionizing energy harvesting and computing systems. Scientists are investigating whether quantum wave functions can be manipulated through vibrational control, leading to the development of quantum vibronic switches that could significantly advance Army capabilities in energy generation and computational technologies. The research focuses on understanding how vibrations influence quantum transitions, which could improve solar power generation and enable new quantum communication technologies. This interdisciplinary effort involves physicists, chemists, engineers, and biochemists working together to harness quantum effects for practical military applications. Quantum computing deadline looms. Threatens to kick off biggest cybersecurity crisis ever. QA. The anticipated date when quantum computers can break current encryption methods may arrive as early as 2029, according to Google's recent warning. This accelerated timeline poses a major cybersecurity threat, potentially compromising all digital communications and data currently protected by standard cryptographic algorithms. Experts stress the urgent need for governments and organizations to prepare for this transition, as adversaries may already be collecting data to exploit once quantum capabilities become available. A mech has fabricated the world's first quantum dot qubit device using high-NA EUV lithography, marking a significant step toward industrial-scale quantum computing manufacturing. The silicon-based device features nanoscale structures patterned at 6-nanometer gate gaps, demonstrating compatibility with advanced semiconductor production techniques. This breakthrough addresses a major manufacturing challenge in quantum computing by leveraging the same tools used for next-generation AI processors. The development could accelerate commercial quantum computer timelines by integrating quantum fabrication into existing chip manufacturing roadmaps. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and share your comments and feedbacks below. We love hearing from you. Thumbs up speech balloon. That's all for today's news. Stay informed, and I will see you in the next update.